myself, Sri Lakshmi Ravi Devadiga, and my partner name is
Alfia Dilawar Tambul.
And we are going to share some important points about our project, that is negative ionizer.
So starting with some basic, as we all know, air is the most important ingredient to our survival. Think about it. You may survive a few days without water, a little longer without food, but deprived of air, your survival time can be measured in minutes.
It is not just a fact these days, but a reality which is hitting heart of mankind, that the pollution level these days have become unquestionable.
So to decrease this, there are already established solutions to tackle the problem of pollution, but they are home air purifier with AC input, which are costly and they do not satisfy the solution. The overall population needs to breathe clean air inside their home.
Thinking about clean air, we both and our guide, Mr. Bharat Khate sir, came into decision about the project Negative Ionizer.
Now you can see a whole prototype of negative ionizer. Firstly, we made the inverter circuit which will make our project less dependent or for making it handy. For that purpose, we have used 12-volt battery which will help us by giving 12-volt DC supply, and by using 2 IRF 540 MOSFET which is used for switching operation. One BC508 transistor is used for amplifying and switching purpose in our project. Further, we have used resistor such as 2 1K resistor, 1 4.7K resistor, 1 120K resistor and 1 5.6K resistor, plus 2 capacitor and 555 timer used to generate time delay, and lastly ending with 12 transformer. With the help of this, we will be able to convert 12 volt DC to 230 volt AC. Further, the connection will be carried forward toward negative ion generator model. This generator consists mainly of set of 30 capacitor and diode. This circuit also can be known as doubler or multiplier of voltage. The high voltage that is generated from a generator is actually tuned for generating a negative voltage at around -1 to 2 kV. The high negative voltage is allowed to get terminated over an open-ended sharp conductor tip, in which we have used set of 3.3 mega ohm resistors. When the voltage reaches at the sharp point, it tends to release into the air in the form of negative charge ions.
So we thought if we are making a model based on inverter, negative ion generator. Further, we can show it on by demonstrating in an application which is known as air purifier. Now let's have a glance of a circuit. In this, we have mainly used Arduino Uno IC and the required connection, and on addition we would like to hold the advantages of sensors and to make air purifier smarter. Instead of conventional way that the turning on the air purifier whole day by the use of Arduino Uno and sensors like MQ135 gas sensor, which is used to detect the smoke, steam and other harmful gases. DHT11, it senses, measures and reports the relative humidity of air, and also temperature sensor, it measures the degree of hotness and coolness, and simultaneously it will be displayed on LCD. And at the end of the circuit, we have connected a 5 volt relay to trigger an inverter based negative ionizer.
As you saw, our whole project, it is clearly based on negative ions. Basically, there are 3 stages which should be constructed separately on 3 different boards, and also should be tested separately before integrating together. The step-by-step procedure of our whole prototype is firstly through Arduino, and sensors, the smoke and the temperature and humidity value are captured and digitally get displayed the value on LCD.
As our temperature increases, the buzzer and LED notify us about the increase in smoke or dust level. And with the help of Arduino, it triggers a relay and switch on the inverter circuit to on a negative ion generator to do its further job with the help of high voltage generator.
Thank you for watching our video. Please feel free to indicate any modification or addition in our project.